Every so often, I like to do some high time frame analysis, and there's no better time than as Bitcoin is in price discovery, making new all-time highs every single day. So I want to talk about this 99K level and why I think it's going to be a really important resistance, not only for several technical analysis reasons, but just talking about the 100K psychological resistance. It's been a meme since 2020 that people would always say we're going to 100K. And now price is getting so close to it. And what's really interesting about that is that there are so many technicals that show that 99 is a really important area of resistance. So the very first one being something that I like to do, and this is involving channels here. If we go ahead and draw out this original channel back over here as a sideways channel, it would look something like this. And now if we take this channel and double it in size, right, and simply take it and put it right above here, we can see that that would bring us right to that 99 zone. And I already went ahead and drew that out. So this is sort of what that sideways channel would then look like, as this being the new high, right? In addition, if we go ahead and take this period of consolidation here, oftentimes when you have something like that, what you would look to do is to take the low to the high of that move, and you'd want to see a one-to-one extension that would sort of give us a price target for a breakout on this period of consolidation. That one-to-one extension brings us again right at about 99K. And just to make this even a little bit more clear, I'm essentially saying from here to here, that same distance brings us to about 99. So there's a handful of different reasons to look at that there. In addition, if we go ahead and draw out this channel as an upwards channel that we can see was super well respected over here from top to bottom, we can see that that currently is right where we're seeing BTC reject from. But what's really cool about this is and this one's my absolute favorite. If we go ahead and take this price action and we make a fractal of it and bring it over here, this is what that looks like. Okay, if we take this price action with these weekly candles here going up in that fashion, we can see that I made them to be as close as I can to being the same size here. We can see that that move up with some period of consolidation, even still respecting this trend line here, would pop up to about that 99 before some degree of a rejection. In addition, let's go ahead and take it one more step. If I take this top and again make a fractal and put it there, we can see that again it is respecting this upwards trend line as resistance, with then again a tap up to that 99 level. So there are so many reasons why I think that this is going to be a really key resistance zone from the psychological 100K level, in addition to these just forms of technical analysis that we would be looking at here. Now, that said, when it comes to price discovery, it is difficult to determine where price might go, but it's important to understand that it's difficult for everybody. No one has a clear or concise idea to where exactly price could go. In my mind, this analysis makes a lot of sense, and it is absolutely possible that similar to this area and this area here, we do something kind of like this where price does consolidate below this level, we tap up here and maybe have some kind of a rejection. That said, 99 does seem a little bit tame to me. It is entirely possible that we break right through that 100K level. We do have a lot of FOMO come in and price does push to higher levels, and that is something that we can absolutely keep an eye on as price continues to develop. But in the meantime, I wanted to share this analysis and just point out how well 99, in addition to this trend line and what we're seeing here, all fits in to the narrative of this being a key resistance zone for BTC.